It is another day of high-stakes testimony in the Trump civil fraud trial playing out in Lower Manhattan. Donald Trump's daughter, Ivanka, is taking the stand today. This follows testimony from the former president on Monday. Ivanka's brothers, Don Jr. and Eric Trump, testified last week. Eyewitness News reporter Janice Yu live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with a look ahead of what's expected to play out in court. Janice, good morning.
Good morning, Mike. Ivanka Trump will be the last of the family to testify for the state, and she's actually not a defendant on the lawsuit, and that is because she was dismissed earlier this year. And that is why her attorneys argue that she should not have to testify, but the judge, Judge Arthur Ngoron, ruled her testimony is relevant to the case, and therefore she is here today. Ivanka was an executive vice president of the Trump Organization until she left to work in the White House with her father. Like her brothers, Eric and Don Jr., who testified last week, she's claimed she has minimal knowledge of her father's financial statements. Now, on Monday, the former president himself took the stand. He lashed out at the judge and New York Attorney General Tish James, and he continued his criticism yesterday on social media. James has accused Trump, his sons, and others with the Trump Organization of inflating the former president's net worth.
This is a case that should have never been brought. It's a case that should be dismissed immediately. The fraud was on behalf of the court. The court was the fraudster in this case.
Mr. Trump obviously can engage in all of these distractions, and that is exactly what he did, engaging in name calling. But I will not be bullied. I will not be harassed.
Well, the state plans to rest its case after this testimony. Then it's the defense's turn. An attorney for the defense says they plan to rest their case by December 15th. Live in Lower Manhattan.